Everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Show, and thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Sibongile and the Dlaminis from the 28th to the 30th of October 2024 on Monday. In the hospital, Sibongile tries to help Gwenzo with a heartfelt declaration. Samge reaches out to Vuma. Kuzwayo also makes a declaration of his own on Tuesday. Gwenzo tells his family where he stands with Sibongile, and Njengaye apologizes to Jabu for what happened to his father. Samge and Vuma take a leap of faith on Wednesday. Sibongile soon learns that every action has consequences. The unlikely friendship between Nelsiwe and Tina grows, while Kuzwayo learns that all Samge can offer him is a friendship. Well, guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.